Why does life get harder right when you finally start doing everything right? You start making progress, you show up, you push forward, and suddenly it feels like the wind's against you. That's not coincidence. It's proof that growth is happening. See, resistance doesn't show up when you're standing still. It shows up the moment you start moving towards something that matters. Every great climb starts easy, then the wind changes. It's that invisible force that tests how bad you want it. And most people quit right there. Not because they can't make it, but because they mistake resistance for a sign to turn back. But the truth? That wind is confirmation you're headed in the right direction. We've been taught to believe that if it's meant to be, it'll be easy. But easy paths don't make strong people. They don't build patience, focus, or depth. The struggle isn't punishment, it's preparation. Because what you gain from the climb is always greater than what you get from the top. Then comes the silence. You've done everything right, yet nothing seems to move. That's the hardest part, when your effort feels invisible. But silence isn't failure, it's timing. It's life asking, can you still believe when you don't see progress yet? That's where real strength is built. Most people think battles are loud. They're not. They're quiet. They happen in your mind, in those moments where doubt whispers, what's the point? The real storm isn't around you, it's inside you. But here's the thing, the storm isn't there to destroy you, it's there to reveal you. Every "I can't do this anymore" moment is actually a doorway. That's where growth begins. When you keep moving through resistance, something shifts, not outside, but within. Your focus sharpens, your energy changes. You realize the wind hasn't stopped you, it's been shaping you. So don't curse the wind, don't run from the pressure. It's proof that you're alive, that you're building something worth enduring. The world didn't get easier, you got stronger. And when life pushes against you, push back, harder, louder, stronger. Because that's how transformation begins. You got this.